What are the features of a computerized accounting system? What are the features of a computerized accounting system? It generates a printout of purchase and sale invoices. It generates a printout of purchase and sale invoices. That's the question. What is not an advantage of a computerized accounting system? Reduced training cost. Reduced training cost. That's the question. What are the types of a computerized accounting system? What are the types of a computerized accounting system? Ready to use software, customized software, tailor-made software. Ready to use software, customized software, tailor-made software. That's the question. What are the advantages of tailor-made software? High secrecy of data. High secrecy of data. That's the question. What are the factors to be considered while source accounting software? Flexibility, adaptability. Flexibility, adaptability. That's the question. Ram wants to install a computerized accounting system, but his budget is low. Which software he should opt for? Ready to use software. Ready to use software. That's the question. If an organization wants to develop a computerized accounting system according to its needs, the business of organization is complex. Which software it should opt for? Tailor-made software. Which software it should opt for? Tailor-made software. That's the question. What are the features of computerized accounting software? What are the features of a computerized accounting software? Storage of accounting data and online input instantly produces different reports, group different account. Storage of accounting data and online input instantly produces different reports, group different account. The dash of a vendor is also an important factor to consider while opting for a computerized accounting software. Capability. Capability. Software must be easy to dash. Software must be easy to install, adapt, understand. Install, adapt, understand. Accounting packages are developed on the basis of both accounting concepts and conventions. Both accounting concepts and conventions. What type of software is an accounting package? Application software. Application software. The components of computerized accounting system are software, hardware, people, procedure, data. The components of a computerized accounting system are software, hardware, people, procedure, data. Grouping of accounts means the classification of data from assets, capital, liabilities, revenues and expenses. Grouping of accounts means the classification of data from assets, capital, liabilities, revenues and expenses. Codification of accounts required for the purpose of hierarchical relationship between groups and components. Hierarchical relationship between groups and components. Method of codification should be easy to understand and leads to grouping of accounts. Easy to understand and leads to grouping of accounts. Final account subsystem in accounting information system deals preparation of final accounts. Preparation of final accounts. What are the types of a computerized accounting system? Ready to use software, customized software, tailor-made software. Which among the following is an example of mnemonic codes? ACC, ECO, ENG, MAL. ACC, ECO, ENG, MAL. Which among the following deals with the generation of reports that are vital for management decision making? Management information system. Management information system. Other question. The need of codification is the encryption of data. The encryption of data. Other question. What is the advantages of tailor-made software? High secrecy of data. High secrecy of data. Other question. It refers to the system of recording, organizing, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting and communicating the financial data of a business. Computerized accounting. Computerized accounting. Other question. Following business generally required customized software. Banking, medical, retail or point of sale. Banking, medical, retail or point of sale. Other question. Features of computerized accounting system. Fast, powerful, simple and integrated. Fast, powerful, simple and integrated. Other question. When different accounts are clubbed on the basis of some common characteristics that are shared by the concept is known as dash. Grouping. Grouping. Other question. Dash is the systematic assignment of number of two items to classify and organize them. Coding. Coding. Coding is the systematic assignment of a number two items to classify and organize them. Other question. Most organizations use a dash for coding their accounts. Block code. Block code. Other question. Computers can be used in accounting in different number of ways. Utility in branch processing, utility in online interactive processing, utility in wage payroll system. Another question. Such systems also generate reports which allow the accounting professionals to have a proper view of different transactions in a comprehensive manner. Pre-packaged accounting software. Pre-packaged accounting software. Other question. This software is a package which is used for managing the entire organization in a comprehensive enterprise resource planning software. Enterprise resource planning software. Other question. The individual field in the sheet is known as a cell. The individual field in the sheet is known as a cell. Other question. Such a kind of software offers various functionalities such as cell content, pivot table, formulas and macros. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. Other question. The software may also allow for graphical rendering of data which is useful for carrying out analysis. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. Other question. This is the kind of software which is specifically designed for meeting the requirements of a particular business. Customized accounting packages. Customized accounting packages. Other question. The components of computerized accounting system are data, people, procedure, hardware, software. Other question. The computerized accounting system refers to processing of accounting transactions through computer and produce records and reports. Other question. The components of computerized accounting system refers to business transactions are analyzed, transactions recorded, prepare trial balance, preparation of balance sheet and profit and loss account. Other question. The CIS should be simple and integrated, transparent, accurate, scalability, reliability. The CIS should be simple and integrated, transparent, accurate, scalability, reliability. Other question. The basic requirement of a computerized accounting system are accounting framework, operating procedure. Accounting framework, operating procedure. Other question. Control unit work as dash of the computer. Brain of the computer. Brain of the computer. Other question. What are the factors to be considered while source accounting software? Flexibility, adaptability, flexibility, adaptability. Other question. Ram wanted to install a computerized accounting system, but his budget is low. Which software he should opt for? Ready-to-use software. Ready-to-use software. Other question. Which of the following is true statement for computerized accounting system? The computer accounting system is based on the concept of database. The computer accounting system is based on the concept of database. Other question. If an organization wants to develop a computerized accounting system according to its need, as the business of organization is complex, which software it should be opt for? Tailor-made software. Tailor-made software. Another question. What are the features of computerized accounting software? Storage of accounting data and online input instantly produces different reports, group different accounts. Another question. Application softwares cannot operate without operating software. Cannot operate without operating software. Another question. Accounting software requires transactions to be ended once. Transactions to be ended once. Another question. Accounting software available are ready-made or off-the-shelf software, tailor-made software, customized software. Other question. Which of the following software is not operating software? MS Word. Which of the following software is not operating software? MS Word. Other question. Which among these cannot be treated as limitation of computerized accounting system? Automated document production. Automated document production. Other question. Liveware of the computer system are system analyst, programmers, operators. System analyst, programmers, operators. Other question. The criterion fulfilled by an effective accounting report is relevance, timelines, accuracy, completeness, and summarization. Relevance, timelines, accuracy, completeness, and summarization. Other question. Which among these is not an example of operating system? Tally. Other question. The data storage system which remains hidden from the user and responds to the requirement of the user to the extent the user is authorized to access is known as backend database. Backend database. Other question. Modern computerized accounting system is based on the concept of database, which is implemented using a database management system. Database management system. Other question. An accounting information system processes the financial transactions and events based on generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles. Other question. Among the following which ready-to-use accounting software package is available in today's market? Tally, EX, Busy. Tally, EX, Busy. Other question. Which among these is not an example of system utility software? Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Office package. Other question. COBOL, Basic, Fortran, C, C++, Java are example of high-level programming language. High-level programming language. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. പരമാവധി എല്ലാവരിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കണം. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞു നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.